Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by getting the basics out of the way so performance can improve immediately. Update the console first so system fixes apply. Once done, fully power cycle the Xbox and modem to clear memory and network hangups. Make sure to free at least 10% of storage by removing games you no longer play and moving captures to an external drive. This prevents long load times and background swaps that slow everything down. Next, focus on the processes that actually tax the system. You should close suspended apps and uninstall games you do not use, because background titles still consume resources. Once done, keep installs on the internal SSD or a certified fast external drive to avoid slow streaming from disk. Defragmentation is unnecessary for flash storage. For multiplayer and store access, switch to wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band and enable router co-S so the Xbox gets priority bandwidth. To finish, clear leftover cache and refresh system files. Hold the power button for 10 seconds and restart to flush transient memory. If a particular game lags, uninstall and reinstall that title rather than blanket resets. You can use the reset option that keeps games but reinstalls system files. Make sure to back up saves to the cloud before attempting a factory reset, which is a last resort. If problems continue after that, contact support and note network logs for faster diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.